You want to arrest me? Just arrest me and go.
Okay, let's go to the White House.
Here's the only place.
It is the only place.
Yeah.
All right, just give us a minute here.
This body cam footage captures a challenging encounter handled by the Columbus police at a local Walmart. Officers were called to the scene following reports of a disturbance and property damage. As the situation develops, the interaction between the officers and the individual raises important points about public safety and professional conduct. Please watch the full sequence to understand the context of this incident and how it was professionally resolved by the authorities. Here is the recorded footage.
911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, I have a customer here that just assaulted another customer and he's throwing stuff everywhere. I need somebody's here like now.
Good address.
5900 Burton Parkway, Walmart.
Yeah, what does the person look like?
He's an African American male. He's in plaid pajama pants and he has a black and like gray hoodie on or something.
All right, yep, someone will be out.
Do you know how long? Because this guy is throwing stuff around in our store.
It's an emergency run. As the next person's available, they'll be out.
Thank you.
So,
It might be entertaining.
yeah.
You're probably gonna need more than you should.
Let's see.
We have all the customers that work in the back of the store.
You're gonna say it's Harvard.
Okay.
He's taking stuff out of customers' cards, throwing it out on the ground, went down the aisles and throwing it all over.
Is this him?
No, that's our cook one. He's over here. That guy in the black is been trying to talk to him because he said he works with due to his mental health issues.
Nobody will stop me.
But be careful because he's from.
The only place that can take this is a White House. I know about it. No, yeah, just go. Just go.
All right.
Just go.
What's up,
Just
buddy?
go.
How you doing?
Peace. Put your hand behind your back. Go.
You want to arrest me? Just arrest me and go.
Peace, brother. That's what you said, right?
I say nobody should say again. If you say you are in trouble, let them go with me. I'm going to the White House. That is the only place they can take me there.
Yeah. You got anything on your book? What is going on, man? Why are you acting?
You arrested me?
Why are you acting like this in a store?
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
You want to detain me? Just go and detain me. Just go. I've been in a prison. Central Wire prison for 2 days. I'm not afraid of prison. I will be back. I will be back.
He's got an idea or something on that other side. All right, let's go.
I will be back. Go. Let's go. I will be back for you people. I'm coming back. I'm not going to stay. Let's go. This is what I want. Thou shalt arrest me but inside here. Let's go.
What's your name?
I'm SIRI. When I come here, I've been in a prison here in America.
Okay.
I'm not afraid of a prison. Tell me I'm go. I'm going to the White House. It's the only place. I can stick there. You got me?
I can put him in my car if you want to try to get the info and stuff, and I'll hold on to it.
Let's go.
He had an ID maybe in that pocket up by you. I couldn't pronounce. I didn't catch his name. What he said.
ID? You got ID?
I got nothing.
You got ID?
I got nothing.
That was there's no ID in there.
And nothing to happen with my
What's going on today? What happened? Why are you getting
with
slapped?
my money, the charger, the phone,
I got it.
and nothing to happen with it. Are you getting me? You arresting me?
Everything is the same. You were trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm going to the White House. The only place you can take me right is the White House. Yes,
Who do you
the
want?
White House.
Who do you want to talk to at the White
I
House?
need a senator.
Who do you want to talk to at the White House?
I need that devil there.
Okay, let's go to the White House.
He's the only place.
It is the only place.
Yeah.
All right, just give us a minute here, and we'll get out.
Call them that you arrested somebody.
Okay.
I need them.
All right, bud. You have any ID in there? No, okay. I could not pronounce that name. Ah, fuck. It's gonna pay the extra for that, man, though.
Shit.
Is everybody all right?
Yes.
That's four.
I'm not afraid. Let's go.
Britain is a 5-7 for OSU.
They already left?
17 Pandora. Says they're tracking a stolen iPad near this location for another car. They have 3 officers on scene currently.
Stuff in like the back and stuff. If you want me to show you it real quick. Do you want me to show you everything he did, or it doesn't matter? Okay.
Yeah, he's mentally unstable or something.
Well, he'll probably go to the hospital first, and then it's up to your guys' store if they want to file any type of damaging charges or anything.
I'll leave that up to the store manager.
We gotta figure out his name though. He's got a real thick accent. I didn't
Yeah,
catch
because I
it.
couldn't understand him at first. I was
Yeah.
like, and then when he started telling me his dad was the president of the town, then
He wants to go to the White House.
Yeah,
So
let's go to the bank.
Well,
Thank you guys
will you
for
have a
coming.
report number for us, or how will we get that?
yeah, I can get it for you here in a second.
Will you just bring it back in, or do you want us to wait for it?
If you give me a second, let me gather his things here. I don't want. Ma'am, here's the over there. All right. So you'll probably go to the hospital first, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Let's go walk around the store and get in the station.
Yeah, there's all that glass. I'll try better with the name. I don't. What's going on? Why are you acting like this?
I'm the son of Abraham.
Okay.
You send me here. I should stop all the talk. I try to stop. They don't know what to do. Understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
That is why I'm racing from now on them.
173, we have one detained.
Well, why are you going to Walmart and pushing people and breaking stuff?
Yeah.
Why would you
Because
do?
of the talk. I've been here for 2 days. I bought things.
You bought things?
I
Okay.
bought things here to study what I'm doing.
Where did you come from?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm the son of God.
You're the son of God.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like there's
What?
a medic station. You need one to respond.
What is your first name?
I'm SIRI.
Your SIRI? How do you spell that?
CYRI.
C-Y-R-I. Cereal. What's your last name?
Finger fuck.
Oh, fuck.
I'm the messenger.
How do you spell that? How do you spell your last name?
NK.
M-K.
EAN.
E-E-N.
GA.
G-E.
FCK.
F-C-K.
Yeah.
McKinnon. Fuck. Okay. I didn't pronounce that right. Okay. Where do you live at? What's your address?
I've been in a prison. Just Google my name, you will see.
You've been to prison before? What for?
Yeah.
What'd you go to prison for?
They arrested me because I made a transgender. Yeah.
You did a what?
A gay.
You-
Do you know what is called a gay?
They arrested you because you're gay?
They arrested me that I clashed with a gay,
Oh, you fought with a gay?
with a demon.
Okay. You fought.
That's why they arrested me.
Oh, because you assaulted an individual that was
My
gay.
spiritual nature was affecting him.
Okay, when did that
That is
happen?
why he called the police on me.
When did
I
that?
told him I'm not afraid of the police. It's because
When did you go to jail?
I do not know the day, but I know I went to the jail.
Was it a year ago or
This year,
this year? Was it here in Ohio, in Columbus?
then I own Palmer, Central Prison, like.
Central
I
Prison?
stayed there for 2 days.
Huh.
Inside AC, without a clothes, without a dress. Take my picture, you'll see me.
Okay.
That is why my father said I should come here.
Do you have a driver's license in Ohio?
I do not have anything.
You don't have an ID or anything?
I do not have anything.
Okay.
That man is a only God that can bless.
Good guy.
We say went to jail for
What
being.
happened today? Why are you so upset?
I'm not upset.
Why were you upset in there throwing things
I
around?
thought I was the one who sent.
He's the son of God.
He sent me with my father.
Are you the son of God?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I told him the prison.
I doctor.
That he beat a gay individual up is why he went to prison recently. Because they've been a sin. So,
I'm the first boy.
alright.
Just got. We'll get there. You had a big solo now.
Okay. What was that? Oh. I thought it was a phone.
You can give her the incident number.
I told her to stay in the hospital. Sure. He's been, I mean, we cuffed him right away, so he's in cuffs, but I don't know. It's some like, just came over from Africa, and SIRI, he's pronounced it like SIRI, but it's CRYRIL. Yeah, so he was busting stuff up and pushing people down in Walmart, just losing his mind, so I don't know what his story is. Well, step on out here. Yeah. What's up, brother? Yeah. I need to be sporting. I'm gonna move my car here real quick. Yeah. You can read my handwriting. No. You want me to rewrite it real quick?
RYRIL. Yeah, that's
super hard. Where'd you go to school? I was just writing fast, sorry.
the lows the same.
Now, this is the best I can do for you. What is that, an E-E-F-C-K? This, I mean, he spelled this shit out for me, so I don't know.
You ever tried that?
Out of sight. There. That's good.
Was this the accident on Sawmill?
Yeah, Sawmill West Case.
We're down here with somebody else, but I'm gonna grab some of this info.
Okay.
Following the encounter, the individual was taken into custody and transported for a medical evaluation. Incidents like these highlight the daily challenges law enforcement officers face in maintaining public safety while handling complex human situations. We hope this footage provided a clear perspective on the importance of professional de-escalation. What are your thoughts on how the officers managed the situation? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and follow our page for more insightful body cam updates. Stay safe and see you in the next one.